Your girl Isha Levette back at you with another little one too. And honey, I'm hungry. So we got some, what's this called? Veggie Lomein. Veggie Lomein. Ooh, oh shit, I'm dropping shit. Goddamn. Oh, I'm dropping some more. Oh, thank you, Lord. hmm It didn't hit the flow. So some veggie lo mein. And I got some vegetable sushi that I've never tried before. I usually get the shrimp tempura, but oh shit, did I do something? Oh, I don't think I was supposed to do it. Oh, I broke them. Did I? Oh hell, I'm perpetrating the fraud. I don't know how to use these damn things. Wait, one of them gotta go. I don't know, like this. One gotta be longer than the other so you can pick it up. Mm-mm. I mean, and then you hold the other one like a pencil. It looked like I'm doing it, but I can't grab it. Okay, there we go. Oh, wait. Wait. Let me just try to pick up something. Ooh. Mhm. I still don't know if I'm doing this right. Thumbnail. No. I'm gonna just say fuck it, huh? Oh well. I tried it. We gonna come back later on. So, veggie lo mein, cause if y'all been keeping up, I'm on a 21-day no meat diet. No meat fast. 21 days of creating good habits. So today is day 5 of no meat. Although, push that back a little bit. Although I did I did eat fish Monday. But that's the last day I ate fish. Because I'm like, am I cheating by eating fish? You know? Because the motherfucker gonna try to find a loophole. Anytime. And down here I got like some mushrooms, red bell pepper. At the very bottom. Squash. Because the Chinese place don't put enough their veggie lo mein just consists of a little cabbage, broccoli, scallion, carrot, maybe some onion. Now my thing is, if I could just, cause I haven't did no bread. I almost ate bread, cause I was gonna try this stuff and I made it work. And I said, damn, that's bread. I can't. So I didn't do it. But them carbs, Oh, honey, I'm glad I didn't say carbs. You know what I'm saying? Because ain't no pasta, no rice. But I do want to take a step back from the pasta or the, just try to do low carbs. Because I feel like every day I probably had a carb. And I ate rice. This weekend I'm going to be making a pot of beans and I wanted a little side of rice. So that, this, that. So I done ate rice a couple times this week, for real, for real. I ate a little, I ate some potatoes a couple times. The fries I ate. And so it's very much so giving carb overload. Just because, one, it's a easy go-to. And I guess I want to feel fulfilled. Not saying the veggies don't fulfill me, but it's something about them carbs, honey, that just, ooh. Carbs is comforting. So I've been doing all right. Um, I'm fresh out the shower, fresh off work. That's why I'm looking like somebody's auntie. Fresh out the shower, fresh off work, fresh out the shower. And I said, let me do this, knock this out, so I could just have the rest of my Friday to myself, honey. I got a curd in here. Uh-oh. Let's see what this is hitting for. Uh-oh. They real cute, y'all. And I asked for extra, what's that? Ginger. Extra ginger. So usually my go-to sushi is shrimp tempura. But y'all know I ain't doing nothing fried. So I couldn't do it. I don't know if they do, oh heck. I could have used a little bit of that, at least some type of that spicy shit they put on it. The spicy sauce they put on it. No, oh, I got peppers. Thank you, Lord. I could have went for some spicy mayo on her. I couldn't do nothing fried. So, let's see what it's hitting for. I got some sweet chili, but I don't feel like getting up. Shit. Mm-hmm. Oh, beautiful. Cucumber, avocado, seaweed, carrots. Let's see. It's definitely refreshing. Like something you can eat at the picnic. Good crunch. You got that ginger on there. Shoot. I can eat a couple of them now. Still not better than the shrimp tempura. Still not better than the shrimp, but it's definitely good. It's definitely good, y'all. Especially with that gin on there. Let me try to get y'all a little taste here. Oh, hell. I ate the wrong one. I put wasabi on this one. I ate the other one. It's actually good, y'all. Damn. I didn't know. And it was $6.99 for a 10-piece, in which the shrimp tempura is like $10.99. So, mm-hmm. I'm gonna teach myself how to make sushi. Mm. My bad, y'all. I'm out at the window. Motherfucking nigga gonna stop in front of the house and get out the car. What you doing? What you doing? Mm-hmm. Let me get back to these noodles. Cause that's cute. That's gonna be a snack later on. It's gonna be for later on. I wonder if I can freeze this. Cause really I've been eating like once a day, snacking here and there. Mm. Um, Now the scale situation, it started out saying 66, then it went to 65, and then it went to like 63 or 263. Last time I got back on the scale, it said 265. I said, well, what the fuck? No, I'm not understanding. So, what ifs, but I'm not necessarily doing the 21 days of creating good habits to lose weight necessarily. Like, it's just to discipline myself, you know? So I know one day I do want to, that's what I should have got from the store. I've been seeing on TikTok with this guy named Yaki Awakening. He was saying dragon fruit, get you some of that dragon fruit and it's going to clear you out. And I was like, ooh, I want to try it. So, excuse me. Fun fact. Fun fact about the dragon fruit. Um, But I've been doing good eating my fruits, my fresh fruits and veggies daily. Now I could bump up the amount of the fresh vegetables. But it's like, damn, how many vegetables can you eat raw? Tomato, carrot, celery, lettuce, onion, cabbage. I don't know if I can eat squash raw. I'm not sure. Cucumber, avocado. What else? Child, I don't know, but what I do know is I want to lay on the couch and go to sleep. I'm gonna find me something to watch. I don't know if I said Monk is on Netflix. I don't know if y'all know Monk, but Monk is one of my favorite shows, like all-time favorite shows. And it's on Netflix, and I'm like, man, I might have to resubscribe just to watch all the episodes over again, because I feel like I done seen all the episodes. Just to watch all the episodes over and the movie. I don't know if the movie's on there. And I don't even know if the movie's legit, because I was seeing it on Facebook. They say it's on Peacock. But if I could get that and watch everything from start to finish and the movie, baby, my year is so good. My year is set. Like, I don't need to watch nothing else. But anyway, y'all, it was fun hanging out with y'all. I'm gonna holler at y'all on another one. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to your girl Isha Look Bad. Tell a friend to tell a friend. And that's that on that.